Is Chief Minister Rekha Gupta fooling the people of Delhi and all the Purvanchalis here in the name of clean Yamuna? Well, I am at the Vasudev Ghat here, which is one of the most popular ghats for Chhat. The Prime Minister is also expected to take a dip here. And what I'm going to show you is something absolutely shocking. Well, the opposition alleges that this particular water body that you see here, where Chhat devotees are taking a dip, is not Yamuna water at all. The opposition alleges that this is an artificial water body that has been created that has filtered Ganga water. And you can see a clear difference between the river, the Yamuna river here, and this water body where Chhat devotees are taking a dip. There's a clear difference in the color of the water as well. And the opposition alleges that this is filtered Ganga water that is coming from that pipeline there, as you can see, that green pipeline, which is basically the Sonia Vihar water treatment plant that has Ganga water and it has many layers of filtering, and it's that Ganga water allegedly that is coming into this water body. Now, the Chief Minister has time and again said that Yamuna is fit for bathing, but it needs to now come clean on whether this is actually clean Yamuna water or filtered Ganga water, as the opposition alleges. Because remember, the Pollution Board report for October also says that Yamuna is not fit for bathing. This is a matter of trust and faith that thousands of these Chhat devotees have placed in the Delhi government and Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, and it is now answerable to all these people.